So subdividing land requires some really good legal effort to make sure it's done properly. This is Dave at TitleSearch.com. If you have a piece of property and it's being subdivided into one or two or more properties, what you want to do is make sure that a good title history is performed, because anything that was on that parent property is now going to affect the subsidiary properties or the divided property. So if there's a lien or a mortgage that's on that main property, it's going to follow through and flow through to those subdivided properties. Another example is if there was ever any question about a deed transfer in the history of that property. Could be 40 years ago that a property wasn't transferred in the right way. That transfer defect will follow through to those other properties that have been created from the master property. One of the things that is very common, that when a county or state is approving a subdivision of a piece of land, they're going to require a good title search is done to make sure that all of the records are accounted for with the new property and that the new legal description is created correctly. The legal description of the parent property will have all those boundaries around the main piece of real estate. The new properties created, 2 or 3 or 4, will each have a separate and new legal description associated with it. All of those legals have to add up and match up with the original legal. So we do title searches very frequently for individuals who are subdividing a piece of land or splitting off a piece of land, or in some cases joining 2 properties together. That's the first thing the county's going to ask for, is a good title search from a certified agency, and they're going to require a certain form for that to be on, and a certain type of search. In many cases, they want to go back beyond just a COS or an O&E search. They're going to want to go back 40 years, 50 years, 60 years, maybe even farther to get good title information. If you are subdividing a property or joining properties and you have a need for those title records, you can reach us at our website at TitleSearch.com.